This is my $130 AI content automation that lets user input any kind of topic, simple or complex, into Google Sheets, for example, latest AI news, and this automation will search the internet and then write the article on the latest AI news. It will also automatically generate a Facebook post, and then it will generate a LinkedIn post, and then it will generate Twitter or x.com post. Download this template down below in the description. You can, if you want to see how I actually sell this, go to my school classroom and join my one-time payment $35 copy-paste AI agency course, where I publish everything, all of the insider secret information of my business, what I do every day here. So who am I selling to, how I'm selling, and everything. Let's create a new scenario on make.com. Let's look for Perplexity AI and create a chat completion. Now let's add a new connection. So we need to now get the API key. Let's go to perplexity.ai and click here settings. And then let's go here to API. Now you're gonna have to add a few bucks. Maybe I added $3 only. And then we're gonna go to API key and generate one. And then I'm gonna copy this here, and then let's go back to make, API key paste. Let's make articles connection, save. Let's add a new message. So role is gonna be system, and prompt. User will give you a prompt to which you will generate an article, search the internet, and generate an SEO heavy article. Use SEO friendly subtitles and a lot of keywords, but keep on topic. So, and below that, we're gonna add a new role. Let's say user. Now let's put just any letters here because we cannot leave it empty, and press OK. Now go here onto this node and say add module. So we add one before, and let's go to Google Sheets, and let's scroll down and watch new rows. Now we're gonna add connection. So click add and sign in with your Google, but I already did it. So now I'm going to actually create a Google Sheets called Perplexity AI Content Generator. Make sure to have prompt, article, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. So this prompt is what user will write. I added two of the prompts. So I said the first prompt, generate article about latest AI news. Search the internet for latest AI news. And I also just said latest AI news. We're gonna test both of these. We're gonna see if we get maybe better articles with this more detailed prompt or not. Now let's click here to choose file. And I'm gonna start searching, clicking again and searching Perplexity AI Content Generator. Sheet name is sheet 1. And I'm gonna just press OK. So let's start from all. So we wanna you can choose manually also here, then you can select where to start. So either the first one, the second one, but I wanna start from the beginning. I'm gonna click here again, and let me say limit 1, so we process one by one. So let's press OK. So this will now go to Perplexity AI. So let me go here, and here in the user message, I'm gonna say this prompt. So just pass in this field. And I think, let me go here and say Google Sheets, and let's update a row. So let me search here for update a row. And choose the same connection, choose the same spreadsheet. So it's gonna be Perplexity and sheet 1. And now row number will be this row number, and article will be choices, message, content. Okay. So let me run this once and see what happens. But before that, if I click here, I can choose a model. Now I think we need to choose this online because this is connected to the internet. And 3.1 is newer, so let me leave it like this. And then let me run once. So it's gonna go really quickly. it's generating the article, and then it should update it in the Google Sheets. And it actually just appeared right here in the Google Sheets. Now if I copy this and I just Google Markdown editor, and yeah, I open the first one, let me start writing, and let me just Control-A delete everything and paste this. Now this is a bit messed up, but if I Control-Shift-V, then it's gonna be a lot better. So as you can see, when you have these hashtags, it's gonna be a title, but some people don't want these hashtags in the content output. You just want like the plain text. So let's show you how to do that. Go here, and here in the system, go at the bottom, and I will add this piece of prompt. So do not generate hashtags and asterisks in your output, just do plain text output. Bad, because this has hashtags, so I gave it an example of a bad output, and then the same output but without, and then press OK. And let me just do again now, since we already did this. If you want to do the exact same article, now I'm gonna delete this article, but I need to go here and say choose where to start and all from the beginning, or I can choose manually here. So let me start from the beginning, OK, and generate. And you will add this something like this. So important, you must not generate hashtags and asterisks, and give it some examples, give it maybe a few more examples. And depending on the model that you are using, this may still generate hashtags if it's a lower model. So then you can also go here and add another module, maybe ChatGPT, and connect it to Perplexity and tell it remove all hashtags, remove all asterisks from this text. And then put that result of this ChatGPT into here, into here article. Now let's actually convert these articles into Facebook, X, or Twitter and LinkedIn posts. So let me go here and I think add a module ChatGPT. No, not Google Sheets, sorry, ChatGPT. So let's go back here, create a completion. Let's go to OpenAI API keys. So just Google this and go to this link, platform.openai.com/API keys, and we need to log in. Make sure to go here to dashboard, API keys, and then create a new secret key, whatever. I'm just going to call it tutorial, but you can call it whatever. Create a key and then copy it, go back to this and then add a new connection, make a good name, and then save. Let's select Omni, so Omni Mini, because we are just summarizing articles. So let's say role, summarize this article for a Facebook post. Let's add a new message. Let's add user, and then let's give it choices, messages, content. Now you can also say use this amount of characters or whatever. So I'm gonna make a token limit of 600. And then I think that's it. So let's go here and let's right click here, and actually because we have this error, we need to click here again and press OK again. Then we need to rename and say Facebook post. Okay. Let me save this and auto align. Now let's I think duplicate this. So clone, put it here in between and auto align. Let's rename this LinkedIn post. Okay. Let's go in here, summarize this article for a LinkedIn post. You can just Google how many characters can a LinkedIn post have if you want, and then tell it like make it no longer than this amount of characters. And let's clone this again, auto align, save. Let's rename. Let's say Twitter and then X post. Okay, let's go here and say summarize this article for Twitter post. Do not exceed 280 characters. And then I think max tokens, it's gonna be around 95 tokens, or this 95 is a bit more, 280 characters. So let's press OK, but I think all of this is it. Yeah, that's it. And now let's go here to Google Sheets, and I'm gonna say Facebook. It's gonna go here to Facebook and result. LinkedIn, we're gonna go here to LinkedIn result, and Twitter, this result. Okay. So now let me actually go. I'm gonna leave this as is, and I'm gonna just do this for the second article, for the second prompt now. Let's go here and say right click, choose where to start, choose manually, and then I'm gonna select, it's gonna be the third row, this one, because the first row, it says invalid date for some reason, but I'm not sure what it is. So let me just press OK and then generate. So the reason it's third row is because the first row is these like headings, second row is this, and the third row is this. So now we are generating this, and it's progressing. So it took around 10 to 15 seconds to do all of this. And now let's see. So what we have, let's see. This looks a bit weird. It's big. So yeah, so this article, this is the big article. And then if we go here, this is the Facebook article. Then this one is Twitter article. And then this one is X. So I think I can just reduce the size of this. But anyways, you know how to adjust this. What I want to say is this all works. Maybe we can increase the size of this to the right.